kwaba kuryo kwesima no kushemererwa hacayi kororo obw'abanya-Uganda barya hakujaguza emirimo y'President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tobahaburwa akorira ihangeri kwiha kwato bw'ebembezi omu mwaka gwa 1996
enyanja awo n'emigga eby'obulimi n'obulunzi mu Africa Uganda esooka
kandi omukoro gutebekanisibwa mushuganisa omukoro ow'ekigombe kya NRM Rosemary Nansubuga na Mayanja.
Allow me to thank Mama Janet Kataha Museveni. Mama, thank you for being my mentor. Thank you for the work you have done for the people of Uganda. Thank you for being an exemplary mother. And thank you for being a mother of the nation. May God bless you as you take care of our tata.
Omukoro guhona gwachereze bikonji abarimo wabireho enganzi y'ihanga John Patrick Amama Mbabazi abebembezi ba gavumenti abarimo omuhwezi wa President Jessica Rupo enganzi y'ihanga Robin Nabanja abanyadini eminyeto n'abandi banya-Uganda kwesimira birungi ebe President akorira ihanga we President aha mukoro yahika hashagatirwe omukazi we kandi ori Minister w'ebyobwegese Janet Kataha Museveni.
Solidarity with our African brothers. And all these are summarized in the principles of the party, which are patriotism, Pan-Africanism, socio-economic transformation, and democracy.
Roida twino mujoni muhimbora na waha mukoro ogu tiyaburaho kandi ogu nko muhinje no murisa wo mutano yabajwekira abahinje n'abarisa abarya harurengo rw'ihanga kandi hine biyasha ba President Museveni.
Kujemura amatema cy'munonga konka kuba twegise kurisa twalisa cy'munonga amatega akanya na nete zazara z'abanyinji kandi kuba twegise kora variation hatfama yanje na family yanje nikora rich yogurt kandi tukubiza mutwara rich bread tukozesa amate base kugabira amagombora gona gambara district twabahereza enumi zo murembe kwena mubatungure ente zabo omurembe kuzahikuru na nete zikanye na n'amateka kanye batungure amakagabo kandi bashomese n'abana babo boreje watahira afamu yitu ntizakushemererwa kandi ntizakuba ntweteka otuyambe otuhereza line ndijo eyo gukora yogati abo kuba abantu bagikunda munonga.
8 years to build this nation, Uganda, from the ashes to what it is today. All of us who are old enough must agree with Pastor Gary Skinner, who was here celebrating the 40 years of the Watoto Church, that the Uganda we live in today is a different country from the Uganda of 1986.
President omukugamba kwe yagira ngo ihangeri tararukozere wenka bithina aba bamwegisereho kandi abamuhwerira mu kishaka kandi kuba kwasera obwebembezi bakataho obwebembezi obw'abantu bona.
The NRM has always been for the abatasoma n'abasoma. Previously, the emphasis was on Abasoma Boka, but NRM line is the line of the masses, the mass line. Abatasoma n'abasoma. And therefore, when you talk about the achievements of the NRM, you should audit Muno Kebera check the guidance of the NRM to the country and how it has been implemented.
Ogu yayongera yagira ngo kigendererwa cyabo kikaba kirye cyo kwisya ibyo bwegese ahari buryomwe kandi kikozurwe bitungu hari habo bakuru b'amashomero abakiremira hakushashuza sente ecyamugemesereza kushaba Minister Janet okumuhwera okubacyondozaho.
Then we went to Bona Basome. That Bona Basome education for all has been implemented, but not fully. We intend to completely remove school charges in the government schools.
Omubiri mwe byo kujema abana ibyo kwerinda hamwe n'intunguka no kombeka amarwaro nabyo yagira ngo bikozerwe niko kurabara nabo abashomankuzi ko nibija kareba.
That's why the population has grown. You are now 46 million from 14 million 1986. That is all mainly because of the immunization.
Ndoram Edwin ahabwa TV West agacenchuire.